Ever felt like you're wrestling with Microsoft Word instead of writing? You're not alone. Many writers often find themselves grappling with issues like formatting woes, navigating the myriad of menus and submenus, and managing their time efficiently when using Word. These issues can turn what should be a simple task into a Herculean effort, making writing feel more like a chore than a creative outlet. But fear not. Today, we're going to tackle these issues and turn you into a word wizard. Formatting can be a headache, but it doesn't have to be. In fact, Microsoft Word is packed full of features designed to help you create a consistent, professional look for your documents. These features are your secret weapons in the battle against formatting frustrations. Let's start with styles. Styles are predefined combinations of font, size, color, and more. They're like a one-click makeover for your text. Here's how to create and apply a style. First, select a section of text that looks the way you want your style to look. Then, in the Styles pane, click the New Style button. Give your style a name and you're done. Now, whenever you want to apply that style, simply select the text and click your style's name in the Styles pane. It's a simple and efficient way to ensure consistency in your document. Next, let's talk about paragraph formatting. This is where you can set the alignment, indentation, and spacing of your text. To access these controls, simply right-click on a paragraph and select Paragraph from the context menu. From here, you can set the alignment to left, right, center, or justified. You can also adjust the indentations and line spacing to suit your needs. Remember, consistency is key in professional documents, so try to stick to one alignment and spacing style throughout. Lastly, managing the page layout is a vital part of creating a polished document. Word offers tools for setting margins, orientation, size, and columns. These options can be found under the Page Layout tab. Here you can set your margins to ensure your text isn't too close to the edges of the page. You can also set the orientation to portrait or landscape, choose the size of the paper you're using, and even divide your page into columns. These settings allow you to control how your document appears on the page, giving it a clean, professional look. With these tips, formatting becomes a breeze, not a battle. So don't let formatting frustrations get the best of you. Master these features and you'll be a word wizard in no time. Lost in your own document? Let's find our way. Ever found yourself scrolling endlessly, trying to find that one section you need? Microsoft Word is equipped with tools to help you navigate your document effortlessly, no matter how long or complex it may be. Let's dive into the use of headers, footers, bookmarks, and the creation of a table of contents. Headers and footers are more than just spaces for page numbers or titles. They can serve as signposts, guiding you through your document. By incorporating unique identifiers or keywords into your headers and footers, you can quickly skim through your pages and locate the sections you need. Let's move on to bookmarks, another great tool for easy navigation. Think of bookmarks as shortcuts to specific locations in your document. You can place a bookmark at any point in your text, making it a breeze to return to later. Whether it's a paragraph, a sentence, or even a specific word, bookmarks will take you there in a flash. Now let's talk about the table of contents, a feature that becomes increasingly valuable as your document grows in length. A table of contents isn't just for books, it's a roadmap of your document, providing a high-level view of its structure. When you create a table of contents in Microsoft Word, each entry is linked to its corresponding section in the document. This means you can navigate to any section with a simple click, eliminating the need for endless scrolling. To wrap it up, headers and footers serve as signposts, bookmarks are shortcuts, and a table of contents acts as your roadmap. Each of these tools contributes to making your document navigation a breeze. Remember, efficient navigation isn't just about saving time, it's about maintaining your focus and momentum as you work. With these navigation tricks up your sleeve, you'll never be lost in your document again. Time is of the essence, and Word can help you save it. We all know the age-old saying time is money, right? Well, in the world of writing, it's just as applicable. The less time you spend fiddling with formatting and navigation, the more time you have to actually write. So let's dive into some time-saving tricks that Microsoft Word has up its sleeve. First up, shortcuts. These are the bread and butter of any word wizard. Shortcuts are all about efficiency. They allow you to perform actions with just a few quick keystrokes. For instance, you can press Ctrl+S to save your document, or Ctrl+Z to undo your last action. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Word has a whole host of shortcuts that can speed up your writing and editing process. Next, templates. These are pre-formatted documents that serve as a starting point for your work. Templates can save you a ton of time because they eliminate the need to format your document from scratch. Whether you're writing a business proposal, a research paper, or a simple letter, there's likely a template available that can kickstart your process. Moving on to quick parts. This feature allows you to store and reuse pieces of content, including text, graphics, and tables. Instead of rewriting the same information over and over, you can just insert a quick part. It's a real time saver, especially for repetitive tasks. Now let's talk about autocorrect and auto-format. These features can be real game changers when it comes to saving time. Autocorrect automatically corrects common typos and spelling mistakes as you type, while auto-format applies certain formatting rules based on your input. For example, if you type a date, Word can automatically format it in a consistent style. These features not only save you time, but they also help ensure consistency in your documents. With these time-saving tricks, you'll be able to focus more on your writing and less on the mechanics. Remember, the goal is to work smarter, not harder. And with Microsoft Word, you have all the tools you need to do just that. Ready to take your word wizardry to the next level? Let's dive into some advanced features that will make you a true word maestro, especially when it comes to managing revisions and collaborating with others. Firstly, let's talk about track changes. This is a lifesaver when you're working on a document with multiple contributors. When you activate it, every addition, deletion, and formatting change is highlighted. This allows you to see who has made what changes and when. No more confusion or misplaced blame. On a similar note, we have comments. Ever had a question, suggestion, or critique that you wanted to communicate without altering the document itself? Well, comments enable you to do just that. You can leave a note right next to the text in question, and the recipient can reply or resolve the comment once it's been addressed. It's like having a conversation right there in your document. Next, we have the Compare Documents feature. This is a godsend when you have different versions of a document and need to identify the changes between them. Word will compare the two documents and highlight the differences, making it easy to see what has been altered. Now, let's shift gears and talk about automating tasks with macros. Have you ever found yourself repeating the same series of actions in Word over and over again? Well, with macros you can record those actions and then play them back with a single click or keyboard shortcut. Imagine the time you could save. Keep in mind, these features may seem complex at first, but with a bit of practice they can be incredibly powerful tools. So, don't shy away from them. Explore, experiment, and before you know it, you'll be wielding these tools with ease. And that's it. Congratulations, you've just leveled up your word wizardry. These advanced tips will help you manage your writing projects like a pro. That was a whirlwind tour of word wizardry, wasn't it? We've covered a lot of ground, but let's take a moment to retrace our steps and solidify these tips in our minds. We started off with a deep dive into the world of formatting, didn't we? We learned how to tame those rebellious paragraphs, align text to our will, and create a visually appealing document. It's not just about making your document look good, it's about making it easy to read and understand. Then we ventured into the realm of navigation. We discovered how to leap through pages, dart around sections, and glide smoothly through our documents. Remember, a well-navigated document is a well-organized document. Next, we delved into time-saving tricks that can turn hours of work into mere minutes. We learned the magic of shortcuts, the power of templates, and the convenience of quick parts. Time, after all, is our most precious resource. Finally, we explored the advanced features that Word has to offer. We uncovered the secrets of track changes, mastered the art of inserting citations, and learned how to automate tasks with macros. These are the tools that transform us from mere writers into word wizards. Armed with these tips, you're now ready to conquer any word challenge that comes your way. Happy writing!